Start by dry fitting each baseboard section and marking high and low points before you nail anything. Measure and cut each piece precisely, holding the baseboard in place and scribing any irregular floor or wall gaps so the back sits flush. Use a long straight edge or a chalk line to establish a reference line along the length of the wall. Snap the chalk line at top or bottom of the board to maintain a constant plane. Fasten the baseboard with nails at both ends, and then every stud, driving nails slightly below the surface so you can fill and sand later. If studs are hard to find, use construction adhesive sparingly behind the board plus finish nails for immediate hold. For runs longer than 8 feet, cope inside corners rather than butting miters to hide minor misalignments and accommodate seasonal movement. Where walls bow, cut a shallow V-notch on the back of the baseboard at the high spot or use a short filler strip so the visible face stays straight without forcing the board. Continuously check alignment after each section with a level or a 6-foot straight edge and adjust by loosening nails and tapping the board into place before refastening. Common mistakes are nailing only at one end, then forcing the other end, which causes gaps and a crooked line. Fix that by dry fitting, marking both ends, and nailing at both ends before securing the middle. Another frequent issue is relying on drywall surface rather than a reference line, which makes even slight wall bows visible. Eliminate this by snapping a chalk line or using a long straight edge as your guiding plane. People also overuse filler to hide poor alignment, which leaves a wavy look after painting. Avoid that by correcting fit with scribing, not filler, and only use wood filler for small nail depressions. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we help homeowners find trusted local contractors, and contractors find work that matches their skill set. We also host a discussion community where users share installation tips, ask project questions, and post photos for feedback so both homeowners and professionals learn from real examples.